Hey everybody, this is a super quick addendum to my Inspire 2 FPV videos, and I just wanted you to know that per requests from a couple of my viewers, I have decided to create a version of the camera holder that goes up and out of the way. Check it out. A couple of my viewers requested getting the camera up out of the way, whereas the version I had before the camera hung down here, and it didn't get in my shots, but I have a 15 as the widest lens I've got, and apparently some people have 9s. And maybe even something wider, which, gosh, I would sure love to have that. So I went ahead and modified my design, so now it's up out of the way. It actually sits now kind of up in front of the nose. I do like it being very close to the operator lens, but I think in the scheme of things it probably doesn't make much difference truly to the framing of your shot. And this is very central to the bird now, so that's pretty nice actually for flying. And just so you know, I print these arms I'm printing out of Prilene because it's much harder and less flexible than the Sainsmart. So the way I printed this, the way I designed it, actually, it's pretty rigid, and I don't think I'm going to get much vibration. Honestly, I haven't gotten it out and tested it yet, but it's basically the reverse design. It's a little further forward just to get it out of the way of the nose. But yeah, I hope that's helpful for some of you guys, and I have posted the new files up on Thingiverse. As always, be sure to like and subscribe, and hit that little notification bell if you want to be notified of content. Alright, take care.